Hey guys,
It's me.
and we're gonna open a package.
This is the real one this time, see?
Wait. Hey, Grandma ordered it for us, right?
Yeah.
So we don't got no but so that's the secret.
Oh shoot, everything's upside down.
Oh my gosh, we opened it the wrong way, but whatever. So just pull up the book first.
Okay, this is the book, so.
You let us hear that one. I'm gonna hear the next one.
Okay, so there's this, so we don't get to sleep at night. So we're just gonna pick the stuff that we want.
Okay. So we got this yearbook. Yeah, some packaging, the bag.
Oh my gosh, that grandma's so nice.
Then we got the weight set.
And then we got
The
bug
book.
song book.
Okay. So next, she got me the Shopkin, well, us the Shopkin and the Shopkin basket. Let's see what's in here.
This is so pretty. Open it for the camera.
Oh, it's wet. I don't know why. A lot of ponies.
So we got this My Little Pony, and I think this is the old version, and then this My Little Pony. It's Rainbow Dash, and I think you have this design here. That has,
So that's basically ponies stuff in there.
oh my gosh, this is so cute, right guys? Comment down below if you think this is cute.
Okay. So I'm gonna see what's supposed to be in here. I think it's supposed to be all this stuff that's separate. Okay, that's all. Oh, yeah. Okay, so she gave us our own blind bag. These two blind bags. She gave us the room to share. Gotta fix it. Hold on. Then we got this red nail polish.
I could paint my nails. They're a mess.
And then we got perfume that really smells good.
How do you know it smells good?
Cause you can smell it. You can't smell it.
Oh, it smells delicious, and it's just a red apple, and this is
I
cute.
can't smell it.
So
Okay, so we're gonna open the blind bag.
that's everything in the backpack.
No.
So it's
We're gonna open the blind bag. Just put it over there. We're gonna open it blind bag. So this is cute little teddy bear. It was your turn. Sorry.
If you guys didn't really see the bucket, it's just this Easter bucket, and just has Easter egg in it. Put it over here. That's where I'll be putting our stuff. Oh my god, she got us a pretty purse. I wonder who one's keeping this one. This one's really pretty. You guys can't really see it. It's a velvet color. It's a red velvet color.
There's this stuff that's really pretty. It's like leather, and then it has gold little stuff. See if any, put anything in here? Nope. But it's really pretty and it's fat. But strap. It's really long. And there's only one more thing.
Got this Frozen thing, and it sings and stuff.
Connect your MP3 player.
This is like a surprise thing, so. Yeah.
Okay, so we got the red bag. Oh, there's one more thing. This cute little Hello Kitty chain.
So I'm gonna open this one.
Do you want to hold the camera for you?
Got it. Look at this little doll, and it has a shirt on it.
Okay.
Sorry, they're watching The Walking Dead.
Oh, look at that little doggy. With the red thumb. Okay.
So let's just sort who is gonna be who. Okay. So I got this.
I'm getting this. I'm getting that.
I'm getting this.
Because my best.
I never really saw it. I get this.
Oh, shoot. What? Up there.
Yeah, because her grandma gave it to her.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, your grandma gave it to her because she said there's gonna be a red velvet one, and it's gonna be hers. What she called you? She called it on the phone that we're using it. She said the velvet one because she knows everything. She only told us like a few things that she got. She only told us the purses. So we're going to
keep that one. I'm keeping this one.
So she's keeping this one. I don't know. Then
I'll keep this one.
I'll keep it. It's gonna be cute for my doll things, my baby doll things, because they need more storage. This could be like their hamper, because I need to organize their baby nursery. No, I like this.
You want it?
You can have it. Then I know you want the little teddy bear. I know you want it.
You can have it.
Show everything that you got.
Okay, so what are the dolls still on the floor over there? This little baggie. It's so cute. The pony Rainbow Dash. And the Rainbow Dash peg. I got the shopping basket with the shopping. And there's gonna be a bag for our blind bags now, right?
Yeah.
When we do blind bags together, and we're gonna get our own bags when we're actually gonna do separately blind bags. So this is the yearbook. It says welcome to after high. So
Ever after.
I mean ever after high. And she got this doll. You got that one?
No, you got that doll.
Yeah, I got that doll. Who got these are cute dolls? Yeah.
And she got the bug.
Yeah, because she wanted to wear shorts. And showing you how to draw the detail. Looks like a ladybug. Yeah.